Hello. Welcome again to Humanica Learning Hub. Our friend has sent me a question, and this is the question: that without using a mathematical table or calculator, find the square root of 729, B, the square root of 8,836, C, the square root of 95,481, and D is the square root of 73,984. Okay, when you're told to find without using a mathematical table or calculator, in other words, you are told to solve by using the general method of finding square root. How is the method? The method goes like this. We start with part A. I wanted to leave part A for you and start with part B. But let me do part A. You first write down the number as it stands, 299. Then you group the number into two digits starting from the right. First digit, second digit. This is the first group. So we don't have the second group, there's two numbers. So we end here. Then this is what we do. You divide using the normal method you're used to. But this time around, there's a condition that the number to choose for a divisor, it has to be a number which when multiplied by itself should give us a number equal to or close to 7. When multiplied by itself should give us a number which is equal to or close to 7. Okay, if I start with 3 times 3, that's 9. That's too much. 2 times 2, that's 4. That's a bit low, but that's the only choice we have as of now. So our divisor is 2, and here the number is 2. So 2 times 2, this gives us 4. And subtract, we get 3. Okay, 3 cannot give us the square of the number. So what we do, we drop down the first pair of numbers, that is 29. Okay, there we are, 329. That's too much. But what you do, double this number. The digit on top, double it. When you double, we get 4. Okay, then find a number to put here, which when multiplied by this last digit will give us a number which is equal to or close to this one. The last digit in our number here, the dividend, is 9. So we have two options. The first one is 3. Okay, if you take 3, put here, this will be 43, and we put there 3. So 3 times 3 gives us 9. Then 3 times 4, this gives us 12. That is too low. That is too low. Okay, so another option we have, which can give us 9 as the last digit, is 7. Is 7. So I remove this. So we put here 7. We put there also 7. 7 times 7, this is 49. We carry 4. 7 times 4, 28 plus 4, this is 32. Taking the difference, we get nil. So that's the end. So what does it tell us? Therefore, the square root of this number, is equal to 27. The square root of 729 is equal to 27. So you can check this answer using your calculator. Here is without, but you can hide yourself somewhere and use a calculator and see if the square root of 729 gives you 27. Thank you for watching this part A. Now let's go to solution B. I'll put part B here. This is solution B now. Solution B. What is the number? B is this one. Supposed to find the square root of 8,836. We do the same procedure, put the demarcation to two numbers. Then from there, okay, let's get to the number, which when multiplied by itself will give us a number which is close to or equal to 88. I know one, that is 9. So we put 9 there, we put 9 on top of 88. 9 times 9, this gives us 81. Subtracting here, we get 7. So, yes. Okay, 7. We drop the second pair, that is 336. We double the number on top of dividend. This is 18 times 2. Oh, sorry. 9 times 2, this is 18. This is 18. Then you look for a number to put here, which when multiplied by the last digit will give us this. Okay, look at the number 6. What are the options to give to get 6? There are only 2 options here. The first one is 4 times 4 gives us 16. The second one is 6 times 6 gives us 36. But before we go this far to 6, let's try 4 here. 4, and we put there also 4. So 4 times 4, this is 16. We carry 1. 4 times that one, 32, plus 1, 33. We carry 3. 4 times 1, this is 7. 4 times 1, sorry, this is 4. Then plus the 3 we carried gives us 7. So in subtract here, we get nil. So what does it mean? Therefore, the square root of 8836, the square root of this one is 94.